JCB is one of the world's largest privately owned manufacturers of construction, agricultural, and defense equipment, manufacturing over 300 products, including machines for the U.S. military. JCB is currently building our second manufacturing facility in San Antonio, Texas. The JCB 505-20 provides maneuverability, visibility, and power in a compact telehandler. With a height of 6 feet 2 inches and a width of only 6 feet, it excels in tight operating environments. The 505-20 provides all-time 4-wheel drive, 3 steering modes, 20-foot lift height, and over 5,000-pound lift capacity, ensuring maximum productivity. The 74-horsepower engine requires no DEF or DPF. JCB LiveLink is standard. JCB offers LiveLink telematics, ensuring increased uptime. Shop online or visit one of our over 300 dealer locations across North America.